So today we replaced the top. I had an identical one, and while we were at it, we decided to clean up the area. So let's take a look inside. We have the pool ladder. We swept the floor. So we tried to organize things. Whoa! That's me dropping the phone. That's it. Tried to make it look neat. Pile of brush. Watch your head, Mark. I got some lumber I got to take out here. And a little bit of brush, a little bit of raking here. All done. Soon. Don't trip, very soon. And that's our pool house.